These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is provided for educational purposes only. Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today we will take some trades based on candlestick psychology strategy and let's see how far we can go with this account. Right now I've detected a potential third touch breakout setup. If this candle closes above this line, I will take the trade with the sellers, because it's breaking the third touch of this resistance. I'm waiting for my drawing application launch. All right, it did. Okay, first touch, second touch, created lower low, and now it's being broken. Okay, I go with the sellers right now. Look at this one. This is the same setup. First touch, second touch, third touch broken, and then gap up. How beautiful it worked previously. And same setup here again, third touch breakout, and now same setup here again, third touch breakout. I go with the sellers on a double trade because this is just beautiful. And by the way, I want to announce that mentorship intake will finally be started again for taking new students. If you're interested, it will be open soon. Make sure you join the Telegram channel because the announcement will be there, okay? And capacity will be limited. This trade is about to close. I will take a quick screenshot of this and I will add this to my journal because I journal my trades, and I think this is the best thing you can possibly do if you are a serious trader. I'm gonna put this here, select my setup, third touch breakout, add trade, boom, boom, boom. Again, third touch breakout. Let's go. And yeah, we took two beautiful trades. Let's see. All right. I like this overlapping level. I want to see what... Okay, we don't have anything here, so this is just a trap. I'm not going to take it unless a very, very small amount, like 150 or something. If it comes down to this area, I will take the trade. It's already reacting from this order block. I would rather to take the entry right here because it's a very weak decision point, I would say, and it's reacted from the overlap. And since it's very weak, I didn't really invested on it, so I will keep looking for the other opportunities. All right. Okay, I want to take a sell right now. This is a common point of rejection. Previously, market has been respecting this common point that previously rejected multiple times. So I just took this trade, and it looks like a losing trade for me. Yeah, we could win this. But anyways, it's always best to combine different reasons to take your trades. That way, you would definitely have higher chance to win. In this case, we took this trade based on common point of rejection, hoping to reject. It could reject. I'm not saying it wouldn't reject, but always try to combine different reasons to your trades. Otherwise, your trades will be a little bit lower time frame. I mean, lower winning ratio. What the hell is lower time frame? Alright, that was a losing trade. I want to keep looking. Just want to have a quick reminder that the new intake for the mentorship has started, but this time we also give the new journaling app as a bonus to the students for this intake. More details in the Telegram channel. See, just stopped out the sellers here, and then it's coming down like crazy. All right, I think this is the demand zone, and this is a doji right after the demand. So the market, I would say it's bullish, and taking this doji break, it's going to be a bit risky. Especially, yeah, we didn't even break this doji, so I will wait. Let's see. All right, it reacted from this little supply. How nice it is. Yeah, it reacted from the supply. Alright. It's about to break this doji from downside. That way I can trust it. It's also... okay, I'm taking this. I'm taking this right now. It's also touching this demand zone. I want to add one more. I'm expecting a rejection. Beautiful. Okay, that was a winning trade. I'm taking a screenshot. By the way, this screenshotting app, it's called Lightshot. You can also find the link of it in the Telegram channel. It makes it easier. You just put, click the hotkey and then you click this copy, right? You go to your journal, and when you want to import your screenshot, just Control V, select, add, Control V, select, add. That's all. You can get this journal with the link in the description. This is also free. Thank you for watching, man, and peace out.